Welcome to this video. In this video you're going to learn how to make money and how to create a do-follow contextual backlinks on this site, steemit.com. If this is your first time on my channel, I create videos on SEO, backlinks and how to make money online, just like this video you're about to watch now. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you get notification whenever I make new videos. So back to the topic. So Steemit is a site that pays users whenever they make a post, that post gets upvoted, or they make a comment on a particular post and that comment gets upvoted. The user of that post or that comment will be paid. But before you make money on Steemit, number one, you need to sign up on Steemit. You sign up on Steemit. Then at this point, add the username you like to use on Steemit, your email address. Then after you add your email address, a confirmation code will be sent to the email address. You copy and paste it here. Then add your phone number at this point. Also, the confirmation code will be sent to the phone number you write. So add the right phone number on this point. Then after that, you enter the confirmation code that was sent to the phone number. Then you click on continue. Creating an account on Steemit is not instant. It takes about 3 hours and up to 7 days before an account can be approved on Steemit. So after you have created the account and the account has been approved by Steemit, click on sign in. So I'm going to sign in with my own account. Sign in. So this is an example of people that are making money on Steemit. This user has made $67.20 on this particular post. This has made $477.90 on this post. This $233.88 on this post. Making money on Steemit takes hard work. Before you can make money on Steemit, it takes a lot of hard work. Simple advice is, instead of investing or working hard on Steemit to make money, instead create a blog and make money with your blog. If you don't know how to create a blog and how to use it to make money, check the description of this video. You will see a link to the post I've made on how to create a blog and make money with it. So the second part of this video, which is creating backlinks, which is the main reason I created this video, creating backlinks on Steemit. Steemit has a DA of 98, which is a very good DA to create backlinks for your site. Another thing about Steemit of creating backlinks with Steemit is you can control the anchor text. It's a contextual backlinks you can create for your site. So click on this icon. So what you're going to do is to add the title of your article at this point. Then you can start writing on this box. Make sure the article you want to write or you want to paste here is original. That article must be original and well optimized, so that this article is original and well optimized, because this post or article you're about to make on this site can be capable of ranking on search engine. So make sure you're putting something valuable on this site. Not only will it help you to rank high, you can also make money with it. So after typing the title, at this point Writing article on Steemit can be a bit technical. It requires HTML code knowledge to post on Steemit. In fact, the first time I made a post on this site, it took me a very long time before I can make a post on Steemit because it requires HTML code. So I'll show you the easiest way to make a post on this site and get contextual backlinks on this site under 5 minutes or under a minute. So all you have to do is you're going to use your WordPress site to get this done easy and fast. So go to your WordPress site. Let's say this is the article you want to use. Make sure you have written the article. Let's say this is the article you want to use. You have written to use on Steemit. All you're going to do is click on this text. When you click on this, it has converted this article to HTML code, which you can use to post on Steemit. So what you do is to copy on, then come here and paste it. Then you can scroll down to preview it. You can see how it looks like. So you can see it's very easy to get this done under a minute by using your WordPress site. If you enjoy what I'm doing, please like this video. This will encourage me to make more videos like this, and this will also help this video to reach more people on YouTube. So after you've done that, add your tag. After adding your tags on this post, the essence of adding tags on a post before you publish is to reach more people that will be interested in your article. So after you've added your tags, the next thing to do is to click on post. So post that article or post. So after posting, copy the URL of that post and submit it for indexing. The reason you have to do this is for two things: to enable this blog post or enable this post to rank high on search engine, and also to be effective, because backlinks are totally useless if they are not indexed. If you don't know how to get backlinks indexed on Google, check the description of this video. You will see a link to the videos I've made on how to get backlinks indexed very fast on Google. Once you've done that, I will see you in the next video.